Welcome back. Congress MP from South Goa Francisco Sardinia has opposed statement of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar regarding a proposal to regularize land purchased by foreigners illegally. But he cleared that he is not against foreign investment in Goa. Reacting to the statement of another Congress leader, Churchill Alimau, to contest next Lok Sabha election from South Goa, he said that he is confident that Ala Kaman will grant party tickets only to him.
Congress MP from South Goa, Francisco Sardinia, on Saturday looked in a dilemma on the issue of foreigners buying lands in Goa. Firstly, he strongly opposed statement of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar regarding a proposal to regularize land purchased by foreigners in Goa. But soon he said that he is not against foreigners investing in Goa and they buying land here.
The Chief Minister has made a statement encouraging foreign investment here, especially from England, and that some of the foreigners who had bought land without permission, that he will impress upon centre to see that that is regularized. I am against it, I am not for it. FEMA, FEMI, whatever rules are there, you follow and buy land. We want people to invest here, and that's why even central government has got for direct foreign investment.
Reacting on the claim of another Congress leader, Churchill Alimau, about contesting next Lok Sabha election from South Goa, Sardinia said that he is not aware about what is going on in Alimau's mind. He also said that he is sitting MP, so party high command will grant ticket only to him.
Right now, Churchill is a congressman, he is in the Congress party. I don't know what are his intentions. And sometimes there are people from your own party who work against you.
Sardinia also said that he is in favor of Mopa Airport, but he does not want closure of Dabolim Airport on any condition. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
5 fishermen were arrested by the Murgao police for non-availability of valid documents. A trawler with the name Adinan from Tamil Nadu was towed to MPT berth number 11. There were around 17 crew members on the trawler, of which 5 did not have any identity proof.
On Friday night, the Murgao CISF towed a trawler to MPT berth number 11. There were 17 crew members on the trawler. During interrogation, the fishermen informed that the engine of the trawler failed, due to which they were drifted towards Goan border. The trawler is named as Adinan. 5 of the fishermen on the trawler did not have any identity proof. The fishermen were later handed over to the Murgao police. The 5 fishermen arrested are Oscar Shelton, 24 years, Abhinash Leo, 20 years, Danish Kuris, 58 years, Kiti Unraj, 20 years, Prabison Valorian, 19 years. They are currently in police custody and the police investigation is on. All the 5 arrested are from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
People from Farmagudi have strongly opposed a mega project coming up in their area. The area, according to the regional plan, is marked as grazing land. Sources inform that 250 plots would be developed on the 1 lakh square meter land. They have asked the CM to intervene and look into the matter immediately and stop the work on the land.
Agitated people of Bandiwada in Farmagudi have strongly opposed the project coming up in their area. They said that about 250 plots project is anticipated to crop up the land. The land has been marked as a grazing land in the regional plan. Some private party has taken up the work on the comunidad land.
खरो म्हणल्यार हो प्लॉट जो आसा तो एक कोण तरी भंडारी हाच्या नावाचेर एन्क्रोचर म्हणून तिचें नाव लागिल्लें आशिल्लें आनी तदनंतर हें सगळें कटकरस्थान येवजिल्लें आसा. ग्रामस्थाचो ह्या सबंद प्रत्येक ग्रामसभेक आनी सबंद ग्रामस्थाचो हेका विरोध आसा. हो विरोध सदोदीत उरतलो.
However, despite of several opposition from the Gram Sabha and people, JCB was seen at the site. On inquiry, the contractors said that they were doing their assigned job. Govind Gowri said authorities are involved in this illegal construction.
हो एकमेव एक जागा आसा ही बांदोडे पंचायतीच्या सारके माथ्याचेर ज्या जमनीक लागून आज पर्यंत आमचे गांव कुळागर जी आसात, शेतां जी आसात आनी बांयक आनी झरे जे आसात तांकां झरे फुटतात. आणि ह्या गोष्टीचेर जर हांगा जर व्हडलो जर मेगा प्रोजेक्ट जर आयलो जाल्यार उदकाक थंय वचपाक वाटूच नासतली. खंय तरी कितें जातलें आनी हें सगळें पाड पडटलें.
The people of Farmagudi have asked Manohar Parrikar to intervene and stop the work. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.